The Whisperers. Who are they?
A mysterious group from the sounds of it.
Potentially a dangerous one, too. Still, if someone's in trouble, we should take a look.
Whoa. There was a big fight here. Our contact is just up ahead. Oh dear.
This must be the sender, Lore.
Seems likely. The signal we were tracking came from this communicator. Judging by these marks, the Fallen attacked him. If only we'd gotten here sooner.
These Fallen don't seem like the Whisperers he was afraid of.
Back away!
There's someone above us!
I said back away from him! You scumbags! Can't even leave his corpse alone, huh?
Hold on! Please, miss, this is a big misunderstanding. It was the Fallen who killed him. By the time we got here, he was already... You can check for yourself. The evidence doesn't lie.
You'd better hope so. Or you're not leaving here alive.
Easy, easy. We came because we received a distress call for help. Unfortunately, we were too late. He said he was being hunted by a group who wanted him dead.
Yes. The Whisperers. A warlord faction seeking to ally with the Fallen. They wanted to silence Law. He knew he couldn't stand against the entire Whisperers organization. All he could do was steal a list of their members and flee.
The warlords really will stop at nothing to get what they want.
So that's why he died to a Fallen attack. Both sides were chasing him.
We agreed to meet up here and escape the Whisperers' reach together, but...
I'm sorry for your loss, miss.
What's next for you? Will the Whisperers come for you too?
Law's dead. And they've likely already taken that list. Otherwise, there'll be more than just a body here. Without any of their files, I'm no threat to them.
Alright. If you don't have anywhere else to go, you'd be safe in Haven.
Yes, they welcome any light-bearers who fight to protect humanity.
Maybe you're right. I'll think about it.
Radagast will want to hear about a potential alliance between the Fallen and these Whisperers.
That was an excellent improv performance.
I thought so too. Come on, let's go search that traitor's body. No list.
He must have hidden it somewhere.
First, he data mined our member list and hides it, and now he exposes the organization to the outside world. A traitor to the very end. Speaking of which, that Lightbearer just now mentioned Haven. Are they with the Iron Lords?
Based on what I found in our database, that Lightbearer and Ghost, Wolf and Sev, are Radagast's new deputies. To think this traitor got the Iron Lords involved. The thing I don't understand is, shouldn't he have been avoiding all contact? So why did he have a run-in with the Fallen?
Yeah, all this doesn't sit right with me either. Let's search the area, see if we can find some clues.
Good idea. We need to retrieve that list before any more busybodies get involved.
We should have taken this guy out when we had the shot.
Coco is too soft, always giving people another chance. Conceal yourself to avoid those Fallen. That traitor swore before the Council of Ghosts they would forever protect the Whisperer's secrets. Makes you question human convictions.
I'll never go back on my word. You know that, Carter. Still no list.
We'll handle this according to the old rules. First, we bring Lore's body back to headquarters.
That won't help us find where he hid that thing. What if...
Don't panic. At the very least, he didn't get the chance to hand it over to anyone.
But... one mishap and all of our undercover agents will be done for. I don't want to see something like that happen again.
Stay calm, Umeko. I know that nightmare still plagues you. I haven't forgotten it either. But we can't succumb to it. Even if the situation gets out of hand, it won't be the end for the Whisperers. There is still room for us to work with the Iron Lords. It's only a question of what the price will be. Yes, they would never accept a ghost-led organization, but they wouldn't kill us all because of it. They're more rational than warlords, even if we don't see eye to eye on everything. You know this.
Sorry, Kara. I let my emotions get the better of me.
There's no need to apologize. Perhaps this is why headquarters sent us. Because we have experience. We know the consequences, so we'll do everything in our power to prevent them.
You're right. Still, this trail's gone cold. How about we talk to Coco? As Lord's ghost, she'll definitely know something.
Okay. I'll contact her. Hopefully Coco knows something. We have to find that list soon. Slow down. Someone's fighting up ahead. That light bearer from Haven.
Wolf? But why?
Let's see. No reinforcements and every confirmed kill is on the move. I don't think they're staying for long. Whatever the goal is they're pursuing, it isn't in this area. Wait here a moment. We don't want to run into them.
What are they doing here?
Mission for the Iron Lords, personal business. It doesn't matter as long as it doesn't affect us. Let's go. Coco is waiting for us up ahead.
I can't believe Lord did that to her. By the time we got her message, it was already too late.
He sealed her away, blocked her life, and any attempt to communicate. It took a lot of effort for her to escape. Coco blames herself. If she'd been there, he'd never have stolen that list.
Poor Coco.
Kara! Umeko! There you are!
Long time no see. Are you okay?
I should have faced reality sooner. Laura's always been... It doesn't matter now. You'll find the list, won't you?
Yeah. We promise.
I tailed Laura for a bit before I lost him, but I think I saw him shove something into some fallen cargo.
So he stashed it here before he left for Haven and sent out his distress call.
Yeah, he was also trying to seek protection from other factions, offering the list of Whisperers as payment. Fortunately, he didn't get far before the Fallen discovered him. After that, well, you saw what happened to him. I don't think I'm going to revive him.
What about the Fallen stash? Is it still there?
No, it's been moved, but I marked the captain in charge. Here's the tracker's frequency. This signal led me here. I'm not fast enough. Without lore, I need a new agent to handle this.
Rest assured, Kara and I will find that list.
Thank you.
How ironic that so many people are willing to throw their lives away for a warlord, yet reject a peaceful life just because humans aren't in charge for once.
The warlords despise the Whisperers precisely because they see themselves as gods. Meanwhile, mortals oppose us because they fear that which is different from them.
And all they can do is lie in the miserable bed they've made.
Such is life. We've seen this same sad tale play out far too many times, haven't we? Shh. Someone's fighting nearby. It's those two from Haven again. Our target's to the right. Careful not to alert them. Conceal yourself and sneak over there.
The Captain Coco marked is dead.
But we may still have a lead. Let's search that terminal. The Fallen language is tricky. I'm finding references to plans. I think they're moving a shipment to where it should be, whatever that means. The message stresses to watch out for interference from Lords.
Do the goods belong to the Iron Lords?
This situation is beyond the scope of our control. I've reported what's happened to headquarters.
No wonder we keep crossing paths with that light bearer. But we can't let the Iron Lords get their hands on that cargo if the member list is still inside.
What do you think we should do?
Tell them. Try to get more info.
As long as you're sure you can handle it. Let's go. We're in luck. They just left, so their tracks are still fresh. Get ready. It's all you now.
Don't worry. When have I ever let you down? Foreigner surrounding you! Look out!
Huh? You?
Stay focused and take them out! Is that the last of them?
I'm not reading any additional ether signatures. We should be safe for now.
Good. I was worried I might not have enough ammo to go a second round.
Don't worry. I've got plenty to spare. But
I wasn't expecting to run into you here. First, I bumped into you because Law died. Now we meet again right after I bury his remains. Huh. Fate works in mysterious ways.
My condolences.
Law always was a pain in the neck. But his family needed closure. It's fine. I'll get through this. Why are you two here? And fighting the Fallen, no less.
we're on a mission.
I see. That was a tough fight back there. Everything going okay so far? Because it looks like you could use a hand. I'd be happy to help if you need it.
Thanks for the offer, but we need to head back to Haven first. Why don't you come with us?
I wouldn't want to cause trouble for you.
Don't worry about it. Haven's a very welcoming city.
Huh. We still haven't been properly introduced. The name's Wolf.
And I'm Zev.
I'm Umeko. So, Wolf, Zev, thank you.
Let's hit the road. This campsite is right on the outskirts of Haven. You can rest up here.
What about you?
I've got to report to the Iron Lords. Sorry, I can't show you around.
Don't worry, though. Everyone in Haven is really friendly. Feel free to have a look around.
Thank you. Go on ahead. Don't mind me.
All right. See you later. Lord Radagast, I haven't found the cargo yet, but I did get some new leads. The Fallen's messages mention taking it to where it should be, but we haven't been able to figure out where that is.
Where it should be. That has to be their fortress atop the space elevator.
Huh? Why there?
The cargo contains several orbital railgun designs that our patrollers found in the old city ruins. The Fallen must have realized they're compatible with the Lanue installation they've turned into their den.
If they decrypt those files, Jiangxi Metro is... We need to get the designs back.
But first, you'll need the key to reactivate the space elevator. Go. There's no time to waste.
I received a message from headquarters. Ensure the list stays out of the Iron Lord's hands by any means necessary.
Not like I was planning to sit idly by while they bring our files back to Haven, but the reminder is appreciated.
Good. So what's your plan, Agent?
First, I'll need to get close to Wolf and grab that key to the space elevator. And the best way to do that is by outwitting them, right?
You're taking a big risk by getting close to them. Don't get careless.
I won't. In fact, we're going to need more than just buddying up to them. We need to create an opportunity. Kara, I need you to requisition a few of Haven's most commonly used storage devices. I have an idea.
You're going up to the space fortress with them?
I'm not sure yet. We need to wait for the opportune moment. Until then, I need them to think we're on the same side.
All right. We'll make our move after we get that key.
Hey, Zev. Wolf.
You ready? Things are going to get more intense the closer we get to the facility.
Oh, you're familiar with this place.
You could say that. I've been here a couple of times. The Fallen are deeply entrenched here. Keep your eyes open and expect heavy resistance.
Sure. So how exactly do we get the key?
Shoot our way through the Fallen, don't get shot by them, and then hack the terminal in the main hall. Once that's done, the key's ours.
Roger that, Commander. No further questions.
Alright then, let's move out.
You seem to really like Haven.
I do. When I'm there looking at all the people working together, it feels like hope is a visible, tangible thing. You know what I mean? I want to protect it.
So are you always getting sent on missions across the world?
Yeah, more or less.
And you don't mind that? It sounds exhausting.
I can't speak for others, but me? Solving problems, helping where I can. I like it.
Huh. The people pleaser type.
Guilty as charged.
Whoa, Umeko! The door to the main hall is closed.
We've got Fallen reinforcements to deal with. I'll hold them off. Umeko, get to that terminal. See if you can open the door.
Stop by this terminal on your way. There's an encryption lock there, too.
Ugh, there's too many of them!
Just keep them away from your ghost. I'm coming to help.
Whew! That was close. But at least it's over. Wait a moment while I load the key.
Thanks for your help back there, Wolf. It's been a while since I had someone fighting alongside me.
Don't mention it. Just returning the favor.
There! The access key's been generated. Downloading it to storage now.
Mission accomplished. Let's head back to Haven and celebrate with a drink. What do you say?
Sounds good to me.
You know, I'm not afraid to admit it. Haven's growing on me. Didn't expect to find a little slice of heaven in this day and age.
And that's what I fight for. It's become my home. And I won't let it fall into enemy hands.
You mean the Fallen, Kaban, and the Warlords?
Well, I can't say I've seen many warlords, but I've heard the stories. They're why the Iron Lords are here today, aren't they?
They're tyrants. Plundering all they can, enslaving others. using their night to justify endless greed. Can you imagine it? Those warlords would tear out the kneecaps of an entire village simply because one of their subjects passed by without kneeling. The Traveler blessed its chosen with the night, and yet they use these gifts for such atrocities. The night gives us strength beyond mortal men, but doesn't tell us how to use it. What keeps the Nightbearer in check?
If you ask me, it's the people, laws, and morals.
A good answer, I think. Cheers to people, laws, and morals.
To people, laws, and morals.
So who should make those laws? Who should guarantee they're fair?
Wake up, Wolf! Wake up! Wolf, what happened? Is something wrong? You were suddenly unresponsive, and Umeko just left. She didn't even turn around when I called her.
Ugh, my head. Umeko, she tried to poison me. Oh no. Where's the chip?
What chip?
That one you transcribed the key to. Zev, get a hold of her.
She's not responding. I can't get through.
She must have had her eyes on those railgun designs. Zev, I need you to make another key. We need to stop her before she gets those blueprints.
Well done, Umeko. Now that we have the key, we just need to retrieve the member list and our agents' identities will be safe.
Wolf and Zev are going to catch up. We should borrow a few crap from the phone before they get here. Three tripwire mines, a cobweb mine. That should do.
Set the tripwire mines here, Umeko. Good. Let's keep going. Place the cobweb mine at the entrance.
All finished. A wolf likes the gifts.
You're here.
It's wolf versus trapper now.
That won't hold them for long. Hurry. You're in a good mood.
Chatting with decent folks always lifts the spirits.
The Iron Lords may have good intentions, but even a good warlord is still a warlord. It's best to keep your distance. You're a whisperer, Umeko. Duty-bound to ensure the light shines on all. Not just where the Lightbearer chooses.
Don't worry. I know they won't understand our actions. I just hope one day we can all be on the same side.
No matter what happens, we ghosts won't give up on you.
You included?
Of course. am a ghost after all.
There's our list! Don't move!
Oh, you made it here quick. Should have upped the dosage, I guess.
Hands up! And don't touch anything on that desk. Or else.
All right, whatever you say. But you may have more pressing issues at hand.
That sound. Wolf. Fallen reinforcements.
Sorry. Looks like our little standoff would have to wait.
No tricks! I've got my eye on you.
There's a tricky one over there. But not for long. Shadow Tag!
Conceal yourself and grab it, quickly!
I'm warning you, put it down!
Fine. You caught me.
You were after the blueprints from the start. The strange message, the dead friend, all those questions of supervision and laws. They were all just for show, weren't they? Has anything you've said been true?
Well, my name is Umeko.
Very funny.
Please, Umeko, just put it down and give yourself up quietly. We don't want to fight you.
Hey, I don't want to either. That's why I never took anything of yours. This is my personal property. He got mixed in with those designs. I am taking back what is mine.
You really think I'll believe a word you said? Put it down.
Do you really want it?
Stop playing around.
Fine. If you want it so badly, then here. Think of it as a symbol of our friendship.
You! She's gone? Zev, scan the room for her.
Nothing. I'm sorry, but she's not here.
All right, we got what we came here for. Let's inform Lord Radagast.
Donovan, here are the designs from the old city. Better late than never.
Oh, the orbital railgun. Well, let me have a look. It'll need to be uploaded to the databank first. The port is right down there. I'll leave that task to you, Dolph.
It's Wolf.
I was expecting this mission to be simple. Go beat up some Fallen, grab the goods, get out. Never anticipated all the twists and turns along the way. At least the designs are safe and sound.
Yeah, she almost had me completely fooled. Oh, wow. Look at these. It's hard to believe what humanity was capable of in the Golden Age. These designs. Huh. That's odd.
What is it?
Something seems off about that white device.
Are some of the designs missing?
No. This device isn't part of the blueprint set. It's like a... Oh no. It's a foreign program.
Umeko.
Hey, Wolf. If you're hearing this, you didn't believe me when I said this was my property and didn't belong to you. Believe me now. The Iron Lords have what's theirs, and the Whisperers have what's ours. I didn't quite lie to you. I just don't trust you with the truth yet. Stay on a more than lawful path, and we won't have to be enemies. Looking forward to fighting alongside you soon. Your friend, maybe. Umeko.
I'm getting real tired of her tricks.
Fortunately, her virus only took control of the monitor. No harm has been done. Do you think she was telling the truth?
I don't know what to think.
Are you going to report this to Lord Radagast?
Not yet. Let's figure out what this is all about for ourselves first.